Hello everybody! How are you? I hope you're not good because you haven't seen inside this box. It's a very good mystery box that I own it with my own money. Of course, I won't steal this from anybody. So, alright, take a look at this. What is this? It's not Apple. No, it's not. It's also not Samsung. But it's a big brand. It's Huawei. Oh man, even Huawei doesn't pay me for this one, but I sponsor for them. It's okay then. Now I'm unboxing this new Huawei Matepad T. The series is 10S. I don't know. Actually, I don't know what is this because I'm not the one who bought it. It's my dad. So let's open it to make him happy. Alright, take a look at this. Whoa, it's flying. Alright, there you go. What should we do at first? I've never made any unboxing video before, but straight to the point, let's pull this up. Oh, it's the phone. It's located on the top. Let's take a look at this. No, it's not a phone. It's a tab. I'm sorry. Misspelled. It's my first time. Sorry, guys. Alright, take a look. Wow! It's black! Of course, it's not blue. It is blue. Wow, looks so good. Oh, alright. What kind of blue is this? The color is, let me see. Hold up. Oh, my dad gonna kill me because I just messed with the screen. I hope he won't know it. Alright. Okay, this is Huawei with no, I can't give you guys the serial number. No, it's confidential. Oh, it's made in China. Wow, but it's translated in my own country language, Indonesian. Alright. Let's us see what other things included inside this box. Alright. Firstly, we open this. Oh, we got a full charger complete set without the cable. Seriously, no cable. No, there must be one. Take a look. Oh, what's inside? Oh, there it goes. The cable is in here. Take a look. Oh, I thought I was gonna be full. No, it's not. Alright, take a look. Alright. It's too lazy to open it. I'll let my dad open it later. So yeah, it's not much. It's just a charger and a cable, manual handbooks for Huawei. Also, I think I got another prize. Alright, take a look. Okay, there it goes. I bought this only for... Wait. No, this one is free. I only bought the tab. That's what my dad told me. Look at this, Huawei Matepad T10S. Ooh, flip covers. Looks so elegant. Although it's not iPad, but it looks elegant. Wow, I like it. Yes. You like it, guys? Very big. You like it? You like it? Alright. Wow, it's big, it's huge, it's elegant, it's good. I believe that the quality of this flip cover is more than everything. Alright. Before we open the flip cover, let's slowly, gently. Where is it? How to open it? I've never owned a tab before. There it goes. This is the button. Maybe press a little bit longer. Let us see. Oh! It's on. It's on. Huawei. Looks nice. Oh yeah. You can see my reflection, right? Yeah. That is my sister who recording it. Oh, take a look at this. Elegant. So huge. You know I have the biggest fist in my family. No, I'm just joking. I'm the smallest one. Although I'm the boy. Never mind. I know you guys who bought the phone will not be that stupid. I'm sorry, but it's correct. I'm just gonna skip this off. Ending of this setup. Let's see. Oh, welcome to Huawei Tab. What's the name? Matepad 10S. Matepad T10S. Wow, brilliant phone. Looks the same. It looks the same like what it is drawn on the box. Perfect. Okay. Wow, it's very smooth. It's very smooth. I like this Huawei tab. Its elegance. The placing of the menu bars. It's very extraordinary. Although I've never had any tab before, maybe this one is one of the best tab that I've ever had. Of course, it's the first one, but it looks good. Thank you guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video.